There's a fly in here that's really irritating me. Let me get rid of this fly because it's really irritating me. Come on, fly. I can't stop. I'm just gorgeous. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? You're pretty. Look at you. Wow. What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it's your girl More, and if you want more, I'll give you more. So look at me. Look at the ponytail. I'm just giving Black Barbie at this point. I'm giving very much, I'm that girl. I'm the it girl, and I'm here to make sure you guys are all it girls as well and feel like the it girl, you know? It doesn't come from makeup. It doesn't come from hair. It comes from within. It really does. Look at me being very much mature. It really does come from within. Like, you really have to wake up every day with gratitude. You really have to wake up every day and actually be thankful for what you have and for who you are and for who you're trying to be. I woke up and I was like, yeah, let me read my Bible. Then I went for a nice jog with my dog in the hot sun, you know? And I said, you know what? Let me spread some positivity. Let me spread some love. Let me be pink and a curled ponytail today, you know? Hey, okay. Let's get it. So let's get into this look. Fresh faced. My face is already primed and moisturized and all that. Even the lips are moisturized as well. It's summer. It's finally summer in England. The summer to me sometimes isn't summering how it's supposed to summer. You know what I mean? It's kind of just like not doing what it's supposed to be doing. You know, like the sun isn't like hot. Being from Florida, like every day is hot, like it's humid, and the sun here is just very synthetic, like it's fake. I sound crazy. Okay, so let's get into this look. It's gonna be very simple given that it's summer. You want to have very minimal product on your skin. First things first, I'm the realist. I'm gonna go with my brows. So I'm gonna be looking in this mirror here, just so I can see what I'm doing. First, let's brush up the brows. My brows are quite bushy, but I like it. Let's wax stuff in my hair. So the hair is different. Relaxed my hair, and I've done like a little like curl in there, like I curled the ends. I'm just like, oh, I feel so pretty. I'm just gonna go in with a brow pencil and just fill in the ends very lightly, because as I mentioned, my brows are quite bushy. I just need it in certain areas, that's all. And given that it's summer, you don't want to have like thick makeup on, like, or you don't even have to have makeup on at all, you know? So this is the e.l.f. 16 Camo Concealer Matte Finish, and this is in the shade Deep Olive. So we're gonna use a very little concealer. I don't want anything too much. You want it very light. I love summer, man. I love it. Just sitting in the sun, getting a nice tan on. Because my skin is quite uneven. I don't know if you can see it, but from my face to my chest, it's quite uneven. Even my legs are the same as my chest. So I'm looking all kinds of milk chocolate, dark chocolate. I feel like everyone's happier in the sun as well. I feel so sorry for anyone that's dealing with the hay fever. Cause child, I mean, I don't have hay fever, but I take the hay fever pills. simply because I don't know if anyone else has a situ, but their hair can be halo-allergic. Look at you learning something new today. Their hair can be halo-allergic in summertime. So when he flashes his hair, it kind of makes me itch a little bit. I feel like when I use very minimal makeup, my makeup turns out a lot better, you know? And especially when your brushes are clean, stop playing. So next I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Matte Poreless foundation in the shade 362 Deep Golden.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading.
I might even need a lighter foundation. And I do have lashes on, like the individual lashes. Girlies get their lashes done, okay? Like when I didn't have my lashes done before, I was like, why was I walking around like I had no home, you know? Sometimes I leave the house and I don't have any makeup on, just some Vaseline on the lips and lashes. So I'm like, ooh, look at you. Now you can literally just go out the house like this. Like you literally don't need anything else. But if you wanna, you know, add a little je ne sais quoi and just finish off the look, just go with more concealer. So this is the e.l.f. concealer again, and this is in Tan Sand, so it's a little bit lighter than the one I used on my eyebrows. Just take just a small amount. We don't need so much.
Cause I'm trading what's good for me, cause you're good for me. Everything I am, I'm trading.
Now I'm just gonna take a damp beauty blender and blend all of that in. I'm just gonna let it sit on my skin for a little bit.
Everything I am, I'm trading.
So now for setting powder, I'm not gonna bake my face. I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder on there and just clean it up. So I'm just gonna go with the Laura Mercier translucent powder and just do some light taps, okay? I like to just put it in the lid and just do some light taps. And this is a really good brush, gets right in those creases there. So this is actually a pointed foundation brush, but sometimes you can mix it up, child. Mix it up.
That's what got me here. I don't run to money and being a workaholic. That's what I used to trust. That's where I used to put my faith. I don't even run to my husband or wife because they are not the source. They are just a resource. I am trading where I used to go and I'm putting it in the one.
So for contour, I'm just gonna go with the Pressed Pigment Technique palette. Shade right there. It's giving like a nice chocolate. I'm just going with some of that. Stop playing with me. I feel like I'm just ready for Miami, you know? It's coming together. So next, I'm gonna go in with the Fit Me pressed powder, and this is in the shade 350 Caramel. And just go in and wipe away that excess powder under my eyes, if any. So I'm just gonna go in with my all-time favorite bronzer. This is the best bronzer I've ever used. Well, I haven't tried all bronzers, but this bronzer right here from Revolution, stop playing with me. They've stopped doing this, but I'm glad I got my hands on it. And I just like to go in with my Paul, is this Paul's Boutique? I think it's like a Paul's Boutique brush. Watch my face just light up once I use this. Okay, watch my face just come together. Are you kidding? Are you kidding? She's glowing. Sometimes I overdo it. I know. Sometimes I do overdo it, but that's okay. Just go in with my pressed powder again. And just wipe some of that away. I am gorgeous. Wow, look at me. Now I'm just gonna go with the Technique Mega Matte Blush. This is my favorite. It definitely just complements my skin. I just go in with the top shade here. Go in a few times and then You don't want to add too much though. You don't look like a clown, okay? You don't look like Boo Boo the Fool. But there you go. She's giving. To finish off the eyes, well, I didn't really do much to the eyes because I already got lashes on. But I'm just gonna go in with some black eyeliner. You know? And then just some mascara. This is the 3D lash effect.
I know you having trouble understanding it.
For the lips, I'm just gonna go in with, so this is a cream lip by 17. And I love this color. Look at that. Look at that color. It's very creamy, but I don't need too much. Just like so. Something very, very subtle, but you know it's there. That is super cute. And obviously to top it off, you guys already know me and my lip gloss game is strong, okay? So I'm just gonna go in with the Plump Me Up by Collection, and this is their lip gloss. Ugh, I just love a nice lip gloss. Look at that. Look at that. I'm just gorgeous. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean?
Something that I gotta do.
This is the finished look, you guys. I am looking like Barbie. I am the black Barbie, okay? Do you see this? Do you see how stunning I am? Huh? Do you? So this is the finished look, you guys. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Like, I can't stop with the hair. Look at the hair. I really do hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. It's summer vibe. It's given very much summer. It's given very much minimal, but still cute. But I do hope that you enjoyed this video. So yes, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and also leave a comment down at the bottom. Let's talk. Let's communicate. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.
Cause you're good for me.